Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Let's make the juiciest shawarma you've ever seen. It's so easy to put together and I'm sure you have most of the ingredients at home. The first thing I did was to season my beef. I used chili flakes, paprika, salt, curry powder, seasoning cubes. Then I mixed it up and let it sit for a few minutes to marinate properly. Now into my frying pan goes a little bit of vegetable oil to fry my sausages, but you can skip this if you don't like sausages. I let that fry for a few minutes, and once they were done, I took them out and proceeded to cook my beef. While cooking your beef, you don't have to add water because it's going to release its own juice. I used beef for this shawarma, but you can also use chicken, ram, or any protein of choice. Once my beef was cooked, I let the juice dry out and then I took it off the heat and I set that aside. At this point, all the components of our shawarma is ready. We have sausages which we fried earlier, some beef, or it could be any protein of choice. We have our vegetables. I kept it simple with just carrots and cabbage, but feel free to go overboard. We have our special shawarma sauce, which is homemade by the way, and I'll be showing you how to make it soon in a later video, so stay tuned to my channel. And finally, our shawarma bread, which is homemade as well. You can use the store-bought ones if you don't have the time to make them. I'll also share a video on how I made this, so again, stay tuned to this channel. The next step is to mix up everything together. So your beef goes into your bowl of veggies and your shawarma sauce goes in next. You want to mix that properly until everything is well combined. Now place 2 of your shawarma bread on a flat surface and spread that creamy goodness over it. You can use just 1 bread depending on your preference on bread to filling ratio. I like enough bread, that's why I use 2, but if you don't, you can use 1, especially if it's big and you're sure it will roll all the way. Now you're going to add your fillings and top it up with that sausage, then roll it up and set it aside. Now place your shawarma on your pan and let it toast on both sides for a few minutes. If you're still watching this video at this point and you're enjoying this video, then don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video to your loved ones, and also drop your feedback in the comment section because I love to hear from you.
And there you go, guys. I bet you didn't know it was this simple to make shawarma at home.
Well, we finally come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoy every bit of it. Bye for now, and I'll see you in my next one. Goodies always from Chidi.